Hi, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. I've been without posting anything for so long. Now I'm going to post this card that is a Valentine card. I just embossed the clouds into the paper using an embossing folder, and I'm going to add white ink that is distress ink, I think picket fence, and I'm just going to add just a little, not that much. It doesn't make sorry by my phone. It doesn't make a big difference, but it look nice. I recut the grass, and I'm going to add dark shadow in the grass and also in the panel of the car with distress inks. Of course, in the grass I'm going to do in green, and in the clouds the panel is blue. I'm going to add blue a little bit darker than the paper. I also going to start cutting hearts in felt. I'm using wool felt, but you can use whatever felt uh, you like to work or you have. I'm going to cut 4 hearts because I'm going to add to each heart the one letter of the word love. And I'm going to cut also in scallops hearts 4. That is going to be in the top of the pink one. I didn't have bigger heart because I wish that the heart that is have the scallops is the one in the bottom, but I didn't have one. The one that is next to the one that I use for the red is too big and it's not going to fit in the frame of the car. But if you have, that would be awesome. Is the bottom heart is the one that with the scallops. I'm decorating the letters for the red hearts with vinyl iron-on transfer vinyl. I just try to incorporate more materials to my cards because I have some material that I never use or I use them just for one scene, and I said maybe this work for this and this work for this, and then I incorporate it to the card. You see, I'm making a frame with stitches in each heart so that they're in the bottom of my screen, but you will see how they look like when I made them all. Now it's time to decorate the panel of the card, and I'm going to glue the grass. And you know me and my glue, I glue a lot because I don't like points to go up. And in this case, because I don't want to put anything behind the grass, I'm going to glue very well those little points. After I glue my grass, I'm going to grab baker twine in pink, and I'm going to add like those lines for hanging clothes. I really don't know how they are called, but it's like a string and you can hang your clothes to the sun for waiting for them to dry. In that moment when I did it, I didn't press that much the tape because I knew that it's going to be too low and I wanted a little bit higher. But I play a little bit with the tape and put my baker twine a little bit up after I see where they are hanging. And you will see I fiddle a lot with the clothespins and the hearts for them to be in I tried for them to be in the right place. Where I think is the right place. After I place the baker twine where I think it looked better, I'm going to start gluing each heart with a glue dot in the back. I also add Winkostella in the red part of the felt, and it looked good, and the glitter is stay on. And also, I'm sorry that I did this in out of camera. I didn't know my camera was off. And I also glue the pins with a tiny piece of double-sided stick tape. After I position everything what I want, I cut little letters that it says is in the air, and it's supposed to read completely love is in the air. And I glue them in my grass, in the part of the grass, and I cut my panel. This is a A2 card, but I was working in a frame a little bit smaller than the A2 card size. In the part of the tape, I'm going to add double-sided tape because I think the liquid glue, it doesn't glue as well when a shiny surface or something that is have no porous, for say one way, and add glue to the rest and glue my card panel to my card base. Now I'm going to add little hearts because the hearts are hanging in the drying clothes line. They dripping because they are hard and it's a lot full of love. They are dripping hearts. They are drying. Well, thank you for watching my videos. On the next card. Goodbye.